Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Johan Pabi. So quick review and unboxing po tayo ng ating unit na KJ Works CZ Shadow 2 na color blue. Ayan, so setup lang po natin. And then meron din po akong available dito na color gray and color orange, no? Ayan, so 1:1 to ng real steel. So napaka-solid itong unit ito. Siyempre may pre-sticker yan. Ayan. And yung ating mag. Pa-subscribe na rin po yung ating Facebook and YouTube channel. And then magazine capacity 26 rounds. Ayan, color black, so may base pad. Ayan, so outer valve, inlet valve. So metal. Ayan, so ito po yung ating unit. Napaka-solid. So made in Taiwan. Yan, so naka-engrave dito yung ZZ Shadow 2 dito sa slide. So may serration both side. And then fiber optic front and front side naka fiber optic color red. So and then yung kanyang rear side ay adjustable. And then meron siyang railings ready for attachment for flashlight and laser. And then naka metal na rin po yan yung kanyang hammer and trigger. And then non-slip staple grip color yellow, so naka-engrave din po yung kanyang logos dito and markings. Naka-extended mag release. And then yung outer barrel niya ay color black. So ito po ay hindi naka-fix barrel. Yung color orange natin naka-fix barrel po yun. Ayan. Always trigger finger out. Toy only airsoft gas blowback pistol. So yung kanyang shooting mode ay semi-auto and safety, no? Yan. Po yung kanyang safety pag binaba natin. Ayan. Naka-ambidextrous safety, left and right. Okay, napagandang tong unit na to.